Practice your machine. If I deliver one of your staff, tell them to practice the machine because this is a very useful equipment that you can use it in each of your care home. So now, blade number 1, enable for you to bake your cake like this. And blade number 3, each blade may number po sa likod. Okay? Pag by touching, memorize ko siya, alam ko kung ano yun. Very easy to use. This is a blade number 1. Your fruits and vegetable is gonna be your water and oil. Very simple. In a way, tayo naman lahat ay matured. Ano po? If you hold your zucchini like this, if you are married, okay? Pag ikay single, ganinin na lamang. Bastos ako ate, ano? Joke only yun ha? Ayan po. Be comfortable, the machine knows your finger. Okay? Pag nakita mo na doon na yung cutex, pakibalik mo sa akin. So, ganyan lang po siya. Very easy. Ang technique po sa kanya, push it harder. Ngayon, kanina, hawak ko siya ng ganon. Napil ko siya, nagiging smaller na siya. Gradually, iganon mo ang kamay on the top of your blade, and then just push it. So, to protect your finger. Okay po? Ayan. Very easy to use, easy to clean, and you can get it for free. You know, my Ate Lorena, the value of this machine is $450. We are not selling it. Binibigay lang po namin to the gracious people. If you like it, what you need to do, help us to advertise cooking show, and you receive one. Okay po? You have to pay for it. Okay? So now, easy to use. So my Ate Emily, kung may family member, if I say I give you one, would you like to have it? Yes. Yan. Thank you. Kasi libre, bakit hindi ko? Alam mo nga, maganda nga regalo ko sa Christmas. Sa mga family member. Kaya po, all small pieces, your ingredient today is, gumamit lang ako ng zucchini, carrots, and your radish is inside, the hopper. So now close it and then push. May punos na pala yun, may machine pa. Ayan po, okay? So you guys are comfortable with the eggshell for today, ha? Since this is our first time. At this your first time, what I'm going to do is, I will just gonna deshell the egg in a blade number 1. Hold this egg, kasi po sabi nga nila, vitamins, especially in the halaman. Pero ang the problem, hindi naman tayo halaman, tayo tao. So, blade number 1, you roll it like that. Okay? Stop and crack. That's my corny joke.
Hindi naman talaga kasama.
Just po, Rudy. Ang hirap ating maghanap buhay. So, you spread like that and crack. That's my corny joke. Si Ate tuloy ilang tawa sa akin. Right ko, Lord.
Nawala yung sakit.
Joke only yun ha. Hindi po yun nilalagay. So now, how to remove your machine is very easy. Your blade. Okay? Pinus ko lang po siya pabalik. Okay. Now, I am going back to my oven. This is ate optional. Pwedeng may olive oil, pwedeng wala. Para to make it easy for my husband, is-sprayin ko lang po siya ng ganun. Okay? Yan. I am going back to my machine. Blade number 3. Enable for me to shred my apple. With the apple base po ito ate. Okay? When you start looking for to change your lifestyle, please look for the healthy oil also. Okay? Baka naman naka-healthy cookware ka nga, ang oil mo naman hindi rin maganda. Ate, blade number 3.
Ang bilis nito. Ang bilis
pang french fries po ito ate ha. Pang chop soy, pang ano. Ikot-ikot mo lang. Okay? Miss Laura, if you can see my finger, please give it back to me ha. Ayan. Minamaster po, madali lang siyang gamitin. Ang good thing sa kanya, pinamimigay lang namin ito. Okay? Even though you give me a okay? Well, you're gonna spend money if this is libre. May apple po siya in the bottom. Ang purpose po ng apple is to help us to add up some sweetness, goes back to your cake. And the good thing is this is a very natural sugar. Okay po? Sabi nga nila, 1 cup, 1 apple a day, doctor is sleep. Away pala. Kala ko pinatulog ka na ng doktor. Ayan po ate, ang consistency ng ating cake mix, a very simple of 1 carrots, 1 zucchini, couple of pieces of radish, and 2 eggs. That's it. Imagine guys, if this cake is gonna melt in your immune system, this is a vegetable. And the vegetable that I use is very high in fiber. It helps you to lower some of your blood sugar ate.
So, yung taong hindi mahilig sa gulay,
na-cheat natin.
Yeah.
At least ang gulay is very important for our body. May question po kayo? Sabi nila, ate, paano po pagkulang sa tubig? You guys are welcome to pick any vegetable or fruits that you want to add up to your cake. Ano po? Huwag din naman sobra ang vegetable kasi matutubig sa tubig. Ino-control din siya, okay? Ngayon po, just cover the apple in the bottom. Ayan po. Kung kayo po'y tatanungin ko, how many minutes this one on the top of the stove?
20.
20. Si ate ay tama. Parang gusto talaga ng machine. Oo, kasi po ang regular baking ay 40 to 45 minutes. Kasi ito ay salad master cut and half. Si ate ay tama, 20. Ngayon may machine na talaga siya. Kasi naramdaman ko natitinig sa ate. Yan. Thank you po. I will give it back to Dodi and your cake will be done in 20 minutes. So, then, dahil tayo ay nagbe-bake, we are now close. Close sa hapon. Kanina crack open kasi frying. Magbe-bake tayo close. Ang pag-bake ko dito at saka doon pareho din. Magkakaiba lang sila electric. Ito is on the top of the stove. Okay? Baking time, 20 minutes. Ate is right. Medium heat only. Tandaan nyo po, the only three things that you need to remember in Salad Master, especially in heat, when your bulb click, turn me down to low.